In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access archived chats in Telegram desktop and unarchive them with ease. If you've been searching for a specific conversation that seemingly vanished or was intentionally hidden from your main view, you'll find this guide exceptionally helpful. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open your Telegram desktop application. As you launch the app, the familiar layout appears with your list of chats prominently displayed. Now, it's essential to know where to look to find those hidden treasures. On the main interface, look carefully at your chat list, either at the top or bottom, depending on how your Telegram is set up. You'll spot a section labeled as Archive Chats. It's somewhat subtle, so take your time to identify it. This is where Telegram neatly tucks away any conversation you or the system might have archived, ensuring that your main chat list remains decluttered and easy to navigate. Once you've located the Archive Chats folder, the next step is simply to click on it. With that click, like opening a door to a hidden room, all your archived or hidden chats will come into view. The folder houses all those conversations you've been keeping aside, be it for privacy reasons or just to keep your main chat list neat. You can scroll through and see all the archived entries here. Now, let's say there's a particular chat you wish to bring back to your main chat list, perhaps an ongoing conversation with a friend or a group you frequently chat with. To do this, hover over the chat you want to unarchive. You'll need to right-click on that chat entry. Once you do this, a small menu appears, offering several options. Among these options, you'll find one that says Unarchive Chat. Simply click on this option, and voila, the conversation is brought back to your primary list, right where you can access it effortlessly alongside your regular chats. This process is really straightforward, yet it can make locating and managing your conversations so much easier. Remember, archiving and unarchiving chats is an efficient way to keep your communication organized, especially if you tend to have numerous chats active at any given time. By regularly managing your archived chats, you ensure essential conversations are never lost, just neatly tucked away for when you need them. And there you have it. A simple, step-by-step tutorial on accessing your archived chats in Telegram desktop and unarchiving them. Whether you use this to declutter your messaging app or simply to keep things organized, this skill is sure to enhance your Telegram experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting!